Begin by gathering the necessary ingredients for the dressing. Combine mayonnaise, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard in a mixing bowl. Add finely minced garlic to the mixture for flavor. Incorporate olive oil and Worcestershire sauce into the bowl. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Whisk all ingredients together until a creamy, smooth consistency is achieved. Begin by washing romaine lettuce thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Ensure the washed lettuce is completely dried before chopping. Chopping wet lettuce can result in a soggy salad. In a large salad bowl, combine the chopped romaine lettuce, add croutons and grated Parmesan cheese to the bowl. Distribute the croutons and Parmesan evenly throughout the lettuce. Begin by gently pouring the prepared dressing over the salad mixture. Carefully toss the ingredients to ensure even coating of lettuce, croutons, and Parmesan with the dressing. Thorough mixing helps distribute the flavor uniformly throughout the salad. Serve the salad immediately after dressing to preserve the crispness of the lettuce. Immediate serving also prevents the croutons from becoming soggy. Garnish with extra Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh croutons for added texture and flavor. Grilled chicken slices can be added to a Caesar salad for increased protein content. Boiled eggs can be incorporated to enrich the salad with additional nutrients. Avocado slices contribute a creamy texture and healthy fats to the salad. These additions enhance both the nutritional value and the flavor profile of a classic Caesar salad.